So in this demo video, we would be learning about how a light dependent resistor works and how to create a small project using the same. So a light dependent resistor or an LDR is a photoresistor or a photoconductive sensor. So this means that the light dependent resistor depends on the light it is exposed to. So if the light which is exposed to the LDR is more, or which is high, or there's a bright light in front of the light dependent resistor, then the resistance would be higher. On the other hand, if the light exposed is less, or if it's in complete darkness, then the resistance would be very less. So this is how a light dependent resistor works. So now let us see how to make a small project using the same. This Arduino project, you would need an Arduino Uno, a breadboard, a light dependent resistor or LDR, few LEDs, a 10k resistor, a 6 AA battery holder. You could also use a 9-volt battery, 6 AA batteries, and a few jumper wires. So this is the Arduino code for the Arduino project that will enable you to create an emergency home light in case of power failures. So let me quickly explain the code. So first we define the LDR and the LEDs pins to the Arduino Uno. After that we go to the void setup, where we start the serial communication by the serial.begin command by giving the baud rate of 9600. Next, we set up the LEDs as the outputs, the red LED, the green LED, and the yellow LED as outputs, and the LDR as the input for the project. Now, as we have created something called as an input value, so in this input value receives the value detected by the LDR. So over here, the input value is being read by the LDR using the LDR. And next we come to the code. So main code, so where if the input value is, or the value is less than 200, then the green LED would glow. So 200, all these numbers in the sense the values detected by the LDR. So next, if the input value is less than 300 and more than 200, the yellow LED would glow. And if the value received by or if the value read is less than 400, then the red LED would glow. So this is a very basic code. It's just about how to use an LDR. And so here we print the LDR value in the serial monitor. So this is just for some verification of the code of the project. So suppose if after you're connecting your project, and if your LEDs are glowing, to cross check or to double verify, the value is being printed on the serial monitor, and the LEDs and the code would work accordingly. So this is the Arduino code. It's a very basic code. So now first let us verify the code. So now, as the code has been successfully verified, let us plug in our USB cable to our Arduino and see how this project works. So first let us upload our code. So now let us start the uploading of the code. So I have shared the link of the code in the description box, so you can check it from there. So I think the code is very clear. It's a very simple code. So now the code has been uploaded. So now let us zoom into the project and see how the project works. the successful uploading of the code and proper wiring of the Arduino project to the LDR and the other LEDs, let us see how this project works. So as I said earlier, we need an external battery or power supply to this project. So for this I'm using 6 AA batteries, and for that I'm using a 6 AA battery holder. So let me fix these batteries onto the battery holder and come back. So now I have fixed all the batteries to the battery holder. So now let us see how this project works. I have given the power supply to the project using this extra battery holder and some 6 AA batteries. So now let us see how this project works. So now for the demonstration purpose, I'm going to cover the LDR resistor with my hands, so it could create a darkness effect, then which would display the 3 different LEDs that we have placed. So now let us start the demonstration. So now let us see how it works. So I'm going to cover the LDR with my hand, which would then display the 3 different LEDs colors one by one. So now when I cover it with my hand, it creates some darkness, not complete darkness, which would allow the red and yellow LEDs to glow. To make the green LED glow, I'm going to cover it with my other hand as well, which would allow the green LED to glow. So now surrounding the LDR there is complete darkness, which I'm not allowing any light to enter through. This allows the green LED and obviously the other 2 LEDs as well to glow and create the project as a successful one. So if you have learned something new today, please like, share and subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to get notified when I upload videos. And thanks for watching.